Here is the Arduino that we will program. Double-click the Arduino exe on your computer, and let's create an Arduino sketch to blink the onboard LED, which is attached to pin 13. Here is a real close-up look. I start off with defining a variable, int, and I'll call it lpin, and I'm going to assign it the value 13. And that's this pin, pin 13. Semicolon. You end all statements with a semicolon. I'll increase my workspace area now. There we go, that's better. Arduino requires the presence of two critical methods in every program, setup and loop. Let's define them now in our sketch program. Int lpin equals 13, semicolon, and now we define our setup method. I key in setup, open close parens, and void. Open and close curlies. Whatever we define or do in setup will get done once. So let's define pin 13 as an output pin. In what mode will I use my pin? Which pin? Answer: this pin, pin 13, L pin. L pin has been defined as 13. I'll define L pin 13 as output. There's my open and close parens, and here's my semicolon. I'm done with setup. Now let's write the loop method. Void loop, open close parens, open and close curlies, and within that I write the word write. What am I going to write? A digital signal. So the command is digital write. I'm going to write a digital signal. What signal is that? A high. I'm going to write a digital high. To who? To L pin, pin 13. Then I'm going to tell the system delay for 1,000 milliseconds. That'll cause it to wait. Pause execution for 1 second. 1,000 times 1 over 1,000 equals 1 second. Next, I'm going to tell it to write a digital signal. What kind of a digital signal? A digital low. I'm going to write a digital low. To who? To L pin again. All right, then what? Then I'm going to tell it to delay for 1 second. 1,000 milliseconds. And then I reach the end of the loop. Now it jumps back to the first line in the loop and recommences code execution. One line at a time until the end of the loop is reached. And the cycle begins anew. There is my program. And there it is within the Arduino interface program. Okay, let's find out now if this is going to work. I go to the menu and I click on Sketch. And I choose Verify/Compile. This will tell me if my code is working before I try and upload it to the Arduino itself. And there we go. On the bottom it says binary sketch size, yada yada yada. That tells me everything's okay. There's no warning message in there. That means my code is syntactically correct. Now I go to the menu again. I click on File, and I click on Upload. And it's going to send it to my Arduino. And as you can see, it works. There's my Arduino, blinking away. Beautiful. Just beautiful.